He likes his sloth. His real king sloth.
Mom likes sloth, yes.
Make it squeak. It's a squeaky sloth, Ricky. Whoa. It's like he didn't know it squeaked. Pisses me off he loves you more.
Mom's the best. Everybody loves Mom more.
Everybody loves Mom more. Excuse me?
Duck does love me more.
No, Duck loves me more. Ricky's
You
is
love me
the
more.
Ricky's the only animal that loves you more besides Steve.
You love me more. Duck.
Duck, who's your favorite?
Duck. Who's your
Duck, come here, buddy. No, come here.
Who did
Fuck you, Duck.
that to?
I refuse to show you guys this. Oh, now you're daddy's good boy. Now you're daddy's good boy. Show everybody the Ricky scars. Oh my gosh, you guys have been playing so hard, you got scars on your face.
Ow.
He's a mean little shit. He's so vicious for his toy. Whoa.
What did Duck say? What did Duck say?
I don't know, but anytime Duck or Mom frickin' barks, he's on guard. His scared little ass is running to the den. Come on, Ricky.
Daddy.
Get up here.
Come on. That's a good boy.
He's like that Duck barked.
You're all right.
Come on. Come on, Duck.
Let's just leave it away.
Come here, Duck. Come to Daddy. Daddy loves you more. Daddy loves you more. Come on, bullshit. Ricky, come here, buddy. Daddy loves you more. And you love Daddy more. Come on. Yes. Duck, you can go get bent.
Are you hungry?
Come here, buddy.
Are you hungry? You guys ate a bowl of food already.
This is bullshit. Why is he so vicious? Arr. He's like a little goblin. Come here. Come here. Okay, I'm calling bullshit on that one too. Up. Down. Hey, down. Nope, never mind.
He just stops and down.
Ricky just don't attack his hot dogs like the others do. Let's see if somebody takes it from him, because he always takes theirs. You gonna get his hot dog? Oh shit, here comes Howie. Holy cow, Howie didn't even take his hot dog. I thought you hated Howie. You can't steal Howie from me. He's my buddy.
I'm allergic to Howie. That's the problem. You finish it?
Oh my gosh. You're gonna steal all my animals.
I do.
Hi, buddy. What do you mean Duck's getting spoiled? You're the one buying the frickin' puppy all the toys. Oh, you don't know what to think of it. Duck, can you move your inline purple testicles?